Today we are going to explore how to create a list in Python. For the code snippet search and library search, we are using kandi.openviewer.com. In search query, we need to give us create a list in Python 3. Here, it shows n number of code snippet. I just copy this code by using this copy button and paste here. Before going to see the output of this code, we can go through what the code is. Here we are just created the empty list, and by using this for loop, we are iterating the numbers from 0 to 99. And by this append method, we are adding the numbers into this list 1, and finally we are printing this list 1. Now we can run the code snippet. Here the list has been created and it also printed the numbers from 0 to 99.